pomelo, lychee, sugar apple, papaya, rambutan, strawberry, mango, orange, rose apple, pomegranate, pineapple, jackfruit, dragon fruit, kiwi, grapes, guava, coconut, cherry, durian, blueberry, apple, cantaloupe, mangosteen, banana, watermelon. One more time, Adam. Pomelo, lychee, sugar apple, papaya, rambutan, strawberry, mango, orange, rose apple, pomegranate, pineapple, jackfruit, dragon fruit, kiwi, grapes, guava, coconut, cherry, durian, blueberry, apple, cantaloupe, mangosteen, banana, watermelon, and pomelo. Let's have a test. Where is the watermelon? Oh, this is the watermelon. Show them. Watermelon, very good. Adam, can you tell me where's the banana? Oh, what's in there? Ah, this one. Where is the banana? This one is the banana. Very good. It is banana. Where is the mangosteen? All right, this is the mangosteen. Good boy. Where is the papaya? Okay, this one is the papaya. Very good. It is papaya. Adam, where is the rambutan? This is rambutan. Okay, let's mix it. Where is the rambutan? I'll get you that one. Next one. Where is the strawberry? Strawberry. Where is the strawberry? Okay. Okay. Which one? Final answer? Strawberry. They're both berries. Okay. This is blueberry and this is strawberry. This is strawberry, Baba. Alright. Next. Where is the durian? This one. Very good. Okay. Where is the orange? Orange. Orange. Okay. Very good. Orange. Where is the coconut? A coconut. Adam, one more time. Where is the coconut? Look at the cards. Tita. Where is the coconut? Where's the coconut? Coconut. Ay, ay, ay. Where is the pomegranate? Good boy. It is correct. Where is the grapes? Where's the grapes? This is grapes. Where is the dragon fruit? Where's the dragon fruit? What? Very good.
Last one.
Where's the jackfruit? Correct. Okay. Bye-bye, Adam.
Bye-bye.
Good job.